Hey everybody, so today we're going to be making a little home for our little LOL pets. Of course you don't have to do it for just LOL pets, you can also do it for normal LOLs. So first we need to get a cardboard box, and as you can see I've already chopped one of these off, but keep them because we will be needing them for after this, but we just have to chop all the other sides off. Oh, and don't forget to keep one side on because we'll need that. Once you finish cutting all three of the sides off, it should look like this. And once you finish doing it, it should look like this. And once you have finished, you can glue these flaps on if they're not glued properly, because they might come off. But I figured that I'm going to keep it like that. So I'm going to do rectangles in each one, same size, so then I can cut it out and make stairs. And once you've cut it, they should look like this. Like having like a little window. And once they are done, they should look like this. They should look like little flaps, and your LOL doll or LOL pet can go through like this. So I'm going to use hot glue to glue these on. Now you have to make sure that your LOL doll or LOL can fit like it's a house. So they can properly fit, and I'm just going to glue it together. So once you finish putting on the floors, it should look like this, but I think you guys can do better than me. Well, I used a hot glue gun to glue them together like this. So then, because you have a leftover one, you're going to use this and make some maybe a kitchen table or a bed, unless you already have that, like from Mother Toys. So when I finished it, I put a little bed in. See that? Yeah. So they can jump in and out of from here. And I did some windows on the flap, so they can look out. Where's my LOL? Actually, look, she's so cute. She's looking out the window. So basically, that's it for today. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And yeah. Bye. See you next time.